Ever felt like your bank accounts in Xero are a chaotic mess? Receipts flying everywhere, transactions mismatched, and no clear picture of where your money is actually going? You're not alone. Xero, while powerful, can feel overwhelming if you don't have a system in place. That's where bank rules come in. These magical little settings are the secret weapon to automating your bookkeeping and bringing order to your financial chaos. Think of it like this: your bank rules are the traffic cops of your Xero accounts. They direct incoming transactions to the right place, ensuring everything is categorized correctly and ready for reconciliation. But why should you care? Well, imagine reduced data entry. Say goodbye to manually coding every single transaction. Bank rules automate this, saving you countless hours. Increased accuracy. Fewer human errors mean fewer headaches and more reliable financial reports. Improved cash flow. With accurate categorization, you can easily track income and expenses, giving you a clearer picture of your cash flow. Streamlined reconciliation. Bank rules make it a breeze to match bank statements with your Xero transactions, speeding up the reconciliation process. What are bank rules? Now, let's dive into what bank rules actually are. Essentially, they're a set of instructions you create within Xero. These instructions tell Xero how to automatically match transactions, find and link matching transactions between your bank statement and Xero, categorize transactions, automatically assign transactions to the correct accounts, income, expense, etc. Apply tax rates. Automatically apply the correct tax rates to applicable transactions. Create invoices. Automatically create invoices from customer payments received. Creating bank rules. Creating bank rules might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite intuitive. Here's a simplified breakdown. Find the Bank Rules tab. This is usually located under the Accounting menu. Create a new rule. Click on the New Rule button. Define the criteria. This is the heart of your rule. You'll use a combination of criteria to identify specific transactions. Amount. Set specific amounts or ranges. Description. Use keywords or phrases from the transaction description. Reference number. Include specific reference numbers if applicable. Account name. Specify the originating or destination account. Contact name. Filter by customer or supplier name. Specify the actions. Tell Xero what to do with the matching transactions. Account. Select the appropriate account in Xero. Tax rate. Choose the correct tax rate. Tracking category. Assign tracking categories if you use them. Contact. Select the relevant customer or supplier. Test your rule. Xero often provides a way to test your rule against sample transactions to ensure it's working as intended. Save and activate. Once you're happy with the rule, save it and activate it to start automating your transactions. Advanced tips and tricks. Prioritize your rules. Xero will process rules in the order they are listed. Prioritize the most important or specific rules first. Use wildcard characters. The asterisk symbol can be used as a wildcard to match any characters within a description. For example, rent asterisk will match transactions with rent, followed by any other characters. Create multiple rules. Don't try to cram everything into one complex rule. Create multiple, simpler rules for different scenarios. Regularly review and update. Your business needs evolve, so regularly review your bank rules to ensure they are still accurate and efficient. Let's illustrate with some real-world examples. Rule for recurring bills. Criteria. Description contains Netflix or Spotify. Action. Categorize as entertainment expense. Rule for customer payments. Criteria. Description contains invoice hashtag or payment for. Action. Match to the corresponding invoice in Xero. Rule for supplier invoices. Criteria. Description contains invoice and the supplier name. Action. Create a bill in Xero. What if a rule isn't working as expected? Check the rule criteria. Ensure all criteria are correctly defined and that there are no typos. Review the transaction details. Make sure the transaction matches the criteria you've set. Test the rule with a sample transaction. Verify that the rule is processing the transaction as expected. Consult Xero's help documentation. Xero provides extensive help resources, including articles and videos on bank rules. By effectively utilizing Xero's bank rules feature, you can significantly streamline your bookkeeping process, reduce errors, and gain a deeper understanding of your financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.